too. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. As you can see, I have a different background today. I am outside Sunday morning filming this Dollar Tree Tuesday video for you because over the weekend, my little sidekick, which you do not see her, is still asleep because she partied so much Saturday night in the hot tub behind me. And then we had a little barbecue. After this video, probably Wednesday, you'll see our trash to treasure find. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Now, this is a small haul that we found in another city when we were doing some little extra shopping when we got back from Charlotte. So let me show you what we picked up. And excuse the background because I'm outside. You hear people mowing their lawns and the birds are chirping this morning. So I found this fish net from the Dollar Tree. This must be a new item. I know they didn't have it in my store. And we're gonna open it up because I really wanted to see. Okay, it's just a long, oh, and it opens up. Okay, cool. I don't want to open it up too much until I need to use it. But this is a fishnet that I found at the Dollar Tree. Oops. So let me just ravel that back on there so I can have it. And I am sweating because it is already hot out here at 8 o'clock in the morning. So please excuse me. They have a crafter's corner that is coming to all the Dollar Trees. Some are slow to get their sections up, but the new Dollar Tree that I went to, they had the lovely paint brushes, and I got about 3 of them. I saved this one just to show you what they look like because I have been utilizing the other ones. So not too bad for $1, 3 paint brushes, and I go through a lot of paint brushes. So this was a fabulous find. Hopefully you can find these in your Dollar Tree. Then Ariana, she was over in the toy section and she found these grow creatures. I think if you remember seeing one of my Dollar Trees where I had the fish tank. So she found these two, a seahorse and starfish, and I can't think of what that other animal is right now. We do have one more that we did a test. It was like the lobster and the whale. You put it in water and it grows. It says on here to 600%. They did grow, but once you take them out of the water, they do shrink back. So I don't think we'll be doing that again. These are just for decoration purposes only for upcoming tablescape. So, found these. And I wish I would have had this for my Hawaiian luau tablescape. Look how the iridescent shows up on this pretty pineapple platter. So I can, summer's just really getting started, so I can use it for outside. I thought that was a cute find. Actually, Ariana found this for me. And once again, $1. And we got a fish bowl. She wants a little goldfish, so try to get to the pet store and get her goldfish so she could take back home with her. So we just picked up a little fish bowl. And we're doing our nails this weekend today. Well, actually this afternoon. So these are the colors that she picked out to go with our little nail polish collection. Must have over at least 100 bottles of nail polish. When she comes, she likes to get her toes and her feet done. Since we can't get out to the fabulous nail salon, which I don't go anyway because of my diabetes, but just to pamper ourselves this late afternoon. And then the next thing I found was the Mermaid or the fishtail, and they're like little coasters, or you can use them for a little miniature, maybe a little miniature dessert, nuts, anything, that would fit on here. And I thought that was so pretty, and I had been looking for a mermaid tail that I didn't have to spend, you know, $10 to $20 for. I seen them at the Hobby Lobby, and I've seen them at Home Goods, but I was not paying $19.99 for something similar. So I got 4 of them, and again, you will see these soon. And I thought that was going to be so pretty. Okay. So the next item that I found, and child, I like to give a shout out to the lovely ladies at my Dollar Tree. This next little things that I'm about to show you is from right here at my Dollar Tree. And I tell you, when they be looking out for me, they be looking out for me. These are not even in the Dollar Tree display when you first walk in. It may be already in your area, but not in mine. So when I walked in, she said, "Kelly, come on in the back. I got something to show you." I said, "Oh, Amanda, what is it?" Child, she got the sunflower dishes. She had them all ready for me. So this is the sunflower design that's new, I believe, to the Dollar Tree brand. So I got 2 of them, and that's like the dessert or you know, dessert dish. And then she had this. This is the plate. 2 of these. And when I tell you she had them ready, she said, "I didn't know if you want the 2-piece set or you're going to get the 4-piece set." She said, "But I got 4 of each for you, waiting for you in a box." Oh my goodness. And then here are the bowls that come with it. So I just got a 2-piece setting, because this is very unexpected. You know, I didn't take a lot of money in, because I try to limit myself at least $10 a day, or, you know, maybe no more than 40 for the week, because I am a Dollar Tree holic. And then she had the nice glasses. Now they did come with the coffee cups, but I thought that would be too much, so I just got the sunflower glasses. And this is going to be a nice little tablescape out here on my little patio area. And when I set it up, I will do a video, you know, to show you how I put all these together, put this, you know, table setting together. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like, leave me a comment down below, and I appreciate all my viewers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I could not make it to 700 subscribers without y'all, and I am reaching my goal of 1K. Praying by September of 2020 I will have my 1,000 subscribers. So with that being said, and as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.